Let us prepare the budget for the employee cost and other expenditure. So, our next budget is the labor budget. This is fairly simple because the entire amount is a fixed cost. We said that 12 lakh rupee per month is a labor cost. So, it is a straightforward. It is the same for all the 3 months, and for the quarter it will be sum of these 3 values. Then we have a operating expenses. So, we have a packing material, repairs and maintenance and freights. These are the 4 expenditure heads for the operating expenses. Here part of that is a variable and the part of that is a fixed. So, we have a variable component of a 0.5 kg, 0.2 kg and 0.15 per kg and 0.8 per kg, and then we also have a fixed cost of 200,000. So, let us try to bring them together. We will have a separate line item called fixed cost. This is again related to the production. So, we need to multiply all these values with the production quantity. 1,50,000 for the month of April multiplied by 0.5, and here again the same 1,50,000, and the rate is a 0.2 per kg. 1,50,000 again production quantity, and for the freight we have a 0.15 per kg is our cost, and finally for the stores item 1,50,000 multiplied by 0.8 per kg. 0.8 is the value here, and our fixed cost is equal to 2 lakh rupee is the operation related fixed cost. We can copy this for the other months. With the respective production quantity we multiply with the rate, and for the quarter sum of these 3 values. The total manufacturing expenses for the month of April, which includes the variable and fixed, is 4,47,500, and that works for the other 2 months. Overall we have 12,30,300 in our total cost. Then we have a selling expenses. So, we have again 4 line items there, which includes advertisement, distribution expenses, training expenses, dealers reward scheme. Here also we have a variable cost and fixed cost. We need to use both of them. Our production quantity, okay, since it is a sales and distribution, it is related to sales value or sales quantity, not the production quantity. So, our sales quantity for the month of April is 1,20,000 multiplied by our variable cost is 8 per kg. Then we need to add the fixed cost of 4 lakh rupee. This gives us 13,60,000 as a value of advertisement for the month of April, and this follows for the other 2 months. Distribution expenses, there is no fixed cost, everything is a variable there. So, our sales quantity is 1,20,000 multiplied by 3 rupee per kg is our cost. Our training expenses and dealers commission, there is no variability, there is only fixed cost, that is a 2 lakh and 5 lakh per month. So, let us put those numbers, let us copy for the other 2 months. Then you sum it up, this is for the quarter. Then finally, we have administrative expenses. Here also we have few line items, let us try to figure it out. So, we have a legal expenses, communication, travel, audit, printing and other administrative expenses. And all these numbers are fixed expenses. So, we do not have any computation, we just need to take these values as it is. These are also per month value. And we have the total. So, 1,20,000 towards legal expense for the quarter, 1,20,000 again for communication expenses, travel expenses 6 lakh, 90,000 for audit, and printing and stationery 2.4 lakh, and other administrative expenses 1.5 lakh. Some miscellaneous expenses is 3 lakh, and total administrative expenses for the quarter is 5,40,000 for the month of April, and May is also same, June is also same, totally 16,20,000 is administrative expenses. This completes us the values which are required for operation administrative and selling and distribution expenses. We will also put selling and distribution total for the quarter. This is a total value. Our next step is to prepare the collection policy. Using the credit and collection policy, we need to estimate how much cash which we are going to collect, and that way we are going to integrate all the budget which we have prepared in terms of a monetary value. Take a break.